It was kind of cold and we were all bundled up, and I was just walking and pushing the stroller, looking down, and I remember looking up and just seeing a beautiful horizon, just seeing a beautiful skyline, and thinking, you're going through your day-to-day life and you're looking down and you're so in the middle of everything, and you can get so caught up in that. And then you have those moments where you just look up and you realize maybe it's the bigger picture, maybe it's just that it's beyond you, or it's not all about you, or there's more. Believing for a better day tomorrow when you're having a rough day, trying to find the silver lining in those moments where maybe you feel alone, maybe you feel sad, maybe you feel like you're having a rough time and maybe things aren't exactly the way you want them to be. Ecclesiastes 3:11 talks about him making things beautiful in his time. Things might not always go according to our plan or our timing, but he is making something beautiful. If we can look up, we will see a beautiful horizon. I just pray that my channel can encourage you when you're walking through the day-to-day to take pride in your work, to believe that he is with you, that he sees you, that what you're doing is good, and that he will make everything beautiful in its time.